Welcome to RE Geography Learning. This is Ilambo, and we are discussed last class second lesson climate and natural vegetation short question answer. We are discussed three question answer last class. Now we are going to discuss the fourth question answer. Write a short note on monsoon wind. This is the fourth question answer in second lesson climate and natural vegetation of India. It's very important question. Write short note on monsoon wind. It's very important because we have to ask in examination the short note on monsoon wind. What is the meaning of monsoon wind? First, the word monsoon has been derived from Arabic word mausim, which means season. The word monsoon has been derived. Derived means come from Arabic word mausim, which means season. This is the monsoon wind. The India get rainfall from southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. In this wind system is derived from the Arabic word mausim, which means season. Seasonal wind. The wind is only blowing in season. The word comes from the Arabic word mausim, which means season. Because of this word was first introduced by the Arabic navigator. That's why it's the Arabic word. And what is the meaning of this wind? That describe it. It is described a system of seasonal reversal of wind along the shore of Indian Ocean, especially the Arabian Sea. The wind is described as a system of seasonal reversal wind. The wind first start from, onset from June to September. June to September, June to September, it go to towards North India, it gives rainfall to entire India, and again come back from North India to South India in November. December month. That's why it is called as a seasonal reversal wind. It's a reversal wind or retreating monsoon. It is start from, the wind is blowing from the towards North India June to September in summer season, and again the wind come to southwards from northeast to southwest in winter season. That's why it's called as a seasonal reversal of wind along the shore of Indian Ocean. The wind is wind is blowing from Indian Ocean, and further it moves northwards in the month of June, July, August, September, and again go to gives rainfall to entire India except Tamil Nadu, and again come back to October, November and December, so gives rainfall to Tamil Nadu and the Andhra coastal area. So especially the wind is blowing over the Arabian Sea area. Arabian Sea is another sea. It is lies in the west part of India. So if the question may ask in examination, you can write the 2 points. The word monsoon has been derived from Arabic word mausim, which means it's the first point. Again second point, describe the system of seasonal reversal of wind along the shore of Indian Ocean, especially the Arabian Sea. So this 2 point is sufficient for the question answer. And second, we come to the fifth question answer. Name the 4 distinct seasons. Distinct means nothing. Distinct means a different nature of character. Different nature. It's a distinct. The 4 distinct seasons of India. In the Indian Meteorological Department, IMD well-defined the 4 seasons. First, the winter and or cold weather season. This is the first season. The season starts from January, February. In these 2 months are very cooler or winter. The entire India experience the cooler and very petty climate experience, especially North India. So second season, summer or hot weather season. The seasons start from March, April, May. In these 3 months are very hotter And then third important season, southwest monsoon or rainy season. This rainy season start from June, July, August, September. In this 4 month continuous rainfall, the entire India receives the heavy rainfall from the southwest monsoon. The season start from June to September. And finally the fourth important season, northeast monsoon season. Northeast monsoon, October, November, December. In these 3 months are received blowing the northeast monsoon. In these monsoons are giving rainfall to Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh coastal areas. So this is the 4 important distinct seasons. I mean different nature of seasons. And then sixth, what is the burst of monsoon? What is the burst of monsoon? Burst of monsoon, very important question also. In this also very important question answer. Burst of monsoon or the break or burst of monsoon. What is the importance of this question? The prior to the onset of southwest monsoon. Prior to the onset of southwest monsoon. Prior means nothing. There's a before. The before to the onset of southwest monsoon. You know very well. I told you southwest monsoon starts from June to September. June to September. This is a time to start, or onset means start. And the onset means start. The period to the onset of southwest monsoon. The temperature in North India reaches up to 46 degrees Celsius because of the comes of this globe. You know that this is the equator, 0 degree and 23 of degree north tropic of Cancer and 23 of degree tropic of Capricorn. In June month, you know the March, the equinox day, March 21st is the equinox day. The equal day night is happening in the world, total world. March, April, May, June 23rd, the sun is appear above the Tropic of Cancer. You know very well, Tropic of Cancer is dividing India into 2 equal parts. You know the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India. So this is the Tropic of Cancer. So the sun is appear directly above the India. That's why the India experience more than 46 degrees Celsius of temperature. It's an abnormal temperature. You know very well. The human body temperature is 37 degrees only. So it's 46. The Indian landmass temperature cross more than 46 degree temperature. That's why the land will be very heated compared with the water. That's why the wind is blowing from the water to land, towards land because of the heavy temperature. That's why the period of the onset of this monsoon, the temperature of North India reaches up to 46 degrees Celsius, the first point. And we come to the second point, the sudden approach of monsoon wind over South India. Due to the increasing of the temperature, suddenly the monsoon wind is onset from South India. Onset from South India. You know, every year Indian Meteorology Department declare and the first June first week the monsoon onset from Trivandrum in Kerala state. So, sudden approach of monsoon wind over South India with the lightning and the thunder is termed as burst of monsoon. Due to the increasing of temperature, the wind come blowing from the low temperature to high temperature. Usually the wind blowing from the low temperature to high temperature. So water experience low temperature, land temperature, high temperature. Wind is moving towards low pressure to high pressure area. Low pressure to high pressure area. High pressure to low pressure area. So here, in the sudden approach of monsoon wind over South India, the lightning and thunder is termed as burst of monsoon. The wind is onset with lightning and thunder. Because of lightning and thunder gives associated with heavy rainfalls. Heavy rainfall you know very well. Additional information: lightning is lightning. I know that the fulminology is subject to deal with lightnings. And so finally we come to the seventh question answer. Name the areas which are receive the heavy rainfall. Which are the areas? In India, India is the seventh largest country, you know very well. It has more than 29 states. Which are the states are getting the heavy rainfall? Compared with all other states during the southwest monsoon. In the western coast, especially western, first we are discussing about the western coast area. West coast, you know India has two coasts. West coast and the east coast, you know, west coast, the west coast lies along the western Ghats. In this, I mean, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and Kerala. In these four states are lies in the along the west coast. In these areas are lies in the windward side. So in these regions are received the heavy rainfall. Especially the windward sides, you know, mountain has two sides. One is windward and leeward area. The windwards are the windward side of the mountain which approach the prevailing wind. So in this the western coastal areas are received the heavy rainfall. Assam is a state that lies in the northeast part of India. You know the seven sister states. Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, South Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh in the four northeastern states are receiving the heavy rainfall due to the southwest monsoon. In these areas, how many centimeters of rainfall received this area? When more than 200 centimeters of rainfall receives through southwest monsoon. So, finally I tell you the name of the areas which receive the heavy rainfall. You can write the western coast, Assam, South Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, and are the heavy rainfall areas which get more than 200 centimeters of rainfall. Thank you very much.